What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to unbox the digital blood pressure monitor which is of Niscomet brand. So let's quickly unbox the package. We get a pamphlet where all the products are listed which are manufactured by the Niscomet. Anyone can buy these products from Amazon or Flipkart, or for more details visit their website. All the links are given in the description box. Here is the main package. On one side all the specifications are printed. And on other side how to use and precautions are printed. Okay, now coming to product, open the package and have a look of BP monitor and the accessories which comes with it. All the items are organized in the carry bag. We get the warranty card and instruction manual. On this all the crucial information about the device was printed. We get USB cable to power up device in case batteries are not available. We also get 4 AA size batteries to power the BP monitor. Here is the arm cuff with air tube and it has circumference of 23 to 33 centimeters. Okay, here is the BP monitor with the large LCD display which has color changing function. If LCD color is green, it indicates normal results. For orange, it indicates moderate, and red indicates high blood pressure. At front, there is on-off button and 2 other buttons for its operation and settings. This side has air tube socket where the arm cuff air tube joint will be attached, and this side a USB socket and speaker for voice message. At back side it has battery compartment where 4 AA size batteries were installed. Okay, now let's see how to operate this machine. First unwrap the batteries and remove the battery compartment cover and insert the batteries according to the positive and negative side and recover the battery compartment cover. This device will also operate with USB. Unwrap the USB cable and insert the USB socket point on device, and we can use power bank or any other suitable adapter to power up the device. Now let's take the reading, but before have a look on this reference image that how to sit while taking the reading. Okay, insert the air tube socket into the left air tube socket of the device. Then tie and roll arm cuff on bare arm. Make sure the air tube is facing outward and the strap is tied to upper side of elbow 2 to 3 centimeters and palm facing upwards, and air tube will be straight. Press once the on-off button to start taking the measurement of blood pressure.
Please relax and don't move. We will start to measure now. Systolic pressure is 105. Diastolic pressure is 66. Pulse rate is 77. According to the World Health Organization standard, your blood pressure level is normal.
The readings will be announced by the voice, which is very helpful feature. So this is all about the digital blood pressure monitor. I hope you will like this video. For any queries, do comment, I reply you. See you in next video. Goodbye.